Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you by unboxing iPhone 12 64 GB internal storage, and this is the latest updated features of iPhone, which comes in the series of iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro, and also iPhone Mini 4 series of iPhone 12. So this is the first version, that is iPhone 12. So I have already unboxed this, but I'm gonna show you some review over here. So let me just open this box here. So after opening this box, you won't find anything much more here. Only one phone. This is the single phone. You can see here, this is the phone. This is a bit like greenish color, light greenish, or you can say a cream color. And also here you'll find only one thing, that is this cable. You have to purchase, or you have to buy the I mean adapter to charge this. So let us just review this first. You can see here, this phone looks is something amazing. You can see here the side looks is something like iPhone 5s, and the similarity of the backboard is like iPhone 11. And I hope let us just check it out, the camera here. So if I click on this camera, and you can see here the camera is something amazing. It is just amazing camera. And also, so here you can see the camera is something amazing. And let me just show you by shooting one photo here. You can see here, you can see the camera, the quality and the picture is a great one, unbeatable. So let us go for video here. Let me just go for one video. You can see here, and it's amazing. You can see the video quality is also amazing. You can see here. So let me just take you to this this settings, and then here let me just show you the features. Here you can see the lots of features are available on this phone. And also let me just show you one thing, that is the latest features, that is, let me just check it out where it is. In general and in about section. So you can see here 12 iPhone 12, and the versions are like this, and it's pretty cool. This phone is pretty cool and handy. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.